And you know those guys that left?
Oh,
when,
yeah?
When you pulled up?
Yeah, the old dudes?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
The old guy went up to me and he's like, better watch out. That guy, he's going to take all your guns.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyler going live, and I'm back again with another video. Today, we at the range for a part 2. You feel me? You see what we got. So today, there was the mystery prize in the last video, but I didn't get to show it because I got rushed. So this is the AR-15. I got ARP. You know what that is. Got a 60 for it, and I got a double 30 mag. That's another 60. And you know we got the 19X like y'all seen last time, but it got a 50 and got a standard in there. So today, we're gonna see what I do. Let's get to it. My aim is ass. Last bullet. See if it make it count. So that was the 50. I'm gonna standard. What the hell you think you're doing with that little shit? We clear. God damn it. Yeah, this dot is all the way off. AirPods just fell. Can't lie. I don't think this AR liking the 223s at all. Oh! Hit the dot, so scope a little bit, all right.
We up cold, right?
All right, back. Yes, sir. 223s a little bit. When the scope, all right. The dot a little bit there. The beam a little bit there on it. But other than that, just keep shooting one time, then another bullet gets stuck.
Oh, yeah, no, I ain't got them. No, I ain't got them at all. No, I ain't got none of them.
Alright, you good? We're hot.
Back. Probably just gotta mag dump it, I guess. Or is it just a double clip, just holding it down with the extra weight? Let's see what it does with a mag dump. Oh yeah, that beam accurate. Yeah, it likes the mag dump. I need to get a new shell catcher too, cause it ain't catching that many shells. So that's about 25 yards. That's a good amount of numbers. I'm gonna take it to the other side, see what it does. God, leave that shit far. All right, have a nice one. Excuse me. You come back to this target right here?
What's up?
I said you coming back to this target right here?
No.
All right. All right, thank you. I might like my ARP better than my Drake because of the scope. And all these good attachments on it. You feel me? Shoot like macaroni. And baked bean collard greens. Give me a green. Excuse me. Want to get off a couple shots before you leave?
What's up?
So you want to get off a couple shots before you leave?
Sure thing. Wait, you got a Glock 19?
Yeah.
Can I see it too?
Yeah.
What sight you got on here?
That's a GT. Damn, I forgot. I didn't know it was a red dot. Yes, sir. You want to shoot 19 down there?
Yeah, I'm looking to buy a Glock 19.
Oh yeah, that's a Gen 5.
You got an optic on there?
Nah, I ain't know too much about guns when I got it, so I ain't know it was a MOS version that comes with the pre-optic rail.
Yeah.
That's just the regular one.
Oh, this is the 19X. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a much better hand feel. Just like 2 or 3.
Yeah, it's 5 in here, so you can shoot all these.
Man, you know those guys that left?
Oh yeah.
When you pulled up?
Yeah, the old dudes.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
The old guy went up to me and he's like, "Better watch out. That guy, he's he's gonna take all your guns."
Nah. Nah, man.
I was like, "What the hell, bro?"
I'm going to the Marines. I ain't focused on none of that. I gotta be a good dude.
Actually, wait, I got a clean target down here.
Go ahead, go ahead. Yes, sir. Yeah, like as you see, I'm shooting a video, so I wouldn't try none of that.
What's your name?
Tyler.
Pierce.
Nice to meet you, Pierce.
Nice to meet you, man. You have a good one.
You too.
You serious?
Well, we're not ready for that, boy. It looked like it was too high. Let me stand up, see what it do. I don't think I'm hitting it. I smacked it that time. That's it. No, that's not it. Got stuck. Going cold. Let me go down here and see if I hit it. If I hit something.
Hi.
Okay.
I ain't even touch it. Yeah, my scope is not sighted in for 75, whatever, how many yards this is. Damn, I'm not even scratching it. I'm putting it right on the money. Well, I know what that means. To take my eye back to the other side. I don't know. Probably if I am a little bit lower, I'll probably hit it, but right now I ain't scratching not a damn thing. That one little bullet made a big ass difference. Now my shit going straight in. See to see. See if I aim a little bit down. If I hit the dirt, then I know it ain't the scope. Cause I'm in it under the sign.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And that shit was off. That was off. That's it. And that's it for that bad baby. I'm supposed to hit this button to come back in. It'll be all right. Well, now that everybody going out the range, it's time to have a little bit of mag dump fun. Let's go see if I hit something on the sign. I think I hit something though, cause I can see. I see it did a little bit difference. Like, well, not a difference, but I see the hole in it right from right down here.
Oh my God! Wow!
And yeah, you see I hit that motherfucker 2 times, 2 times. Oh, I hit it one up top too. 3 times, hit that bitch 3 times. I ain't on dead sight, but I'm gonna get right. You feel me? He just mad dump these last 2 bullets. Straight out the ripple. It ain't this button, it's this button. The side button. That's how you click it back in. If you ain't know, now you know, nigga. Somebody left their McDonald's. Y'all wanna see, can I bust a cup? Let's see, can I bust a cup? Now we holding a lot more shells now. I'm liking to see this. Holding a lot more shells. I'm liking to see that right there. This bullet kind of bent, but we gonna bust it. Cause we ain't wasting shit. I don't know who left this Sprite, but it's finna get shot tonight. You feel me? It's a good amount of yards right here. See, can we hit this down cup, whatever type shit. I think I hit that bitch. First try. Let me go see. No, I did not. I should known I didn't hit it because no water shit came out of it. Let's try it again. Let's see how my aim is with my pistol. See if I'm Marine ready. Cause I'm a soldier. Would I survive? Only time will tell. You feel me? But I will prevail. Looking ass boy. Missed that bitch. Missed that bitch. Damn, that's 5 tries already? Shit. Well, at least we know I need more than 5 tries. I'm ass. I got 17 in this motherfucker. I better fucking hit some. Fucking 19X. Almost. Man. Yeah, I'm ass. I'm just fucking ass. Fuck that shit. I'm bringing that shit closer, bro. Hell nah, I'm leaving that shit just how it is, man. I'm gonna hit that shit. Cause ain't no way I ain't hitting it. Telling me I'm that ass, bro?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Fuck it. This is my last rounds right here. Cause I'm not going, I can't leave here with an empty pistol. You feel me? Take like 3 shots. I don't make it in 3. I'm gonna move that motherfucker up. Man, I gotta get a new trigger, bro. This fucking trigger shit is ass. Cause when I hit this bitch, I'm thinking it's gonna shoot, but that's just a safety mechanism on this shit. Oh, no. I don't wanna fucking hear it, man. That's why I'm out here practicing. You see what I did to the fucking sign, though? I lit that motherfucker up. Target better not fucking play with me, man. Bro. Yeah, I'm just ass, bro. I'm just ass.
Yes, 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 yes.
My aim might not be good to hit a little ass target. Boy, you see what I can do to a motherfucking body, though. Tear that ass up.
Oh!
Second try. Bust that bitch open. Don't fucking play with that ARP, man. That fucking beam don't fucking play. That beam get on the ass. Watch this shit. Woo! Woo! Alright, you see that? Ooh, I'm so happy I busted that bitch. Now I can have the fun. Boy, say you can have fun. we're clear. Yeah, I just believe it's just that. This one side. Shit's fucking up and shit. Let's kill the schemes. Let's kill the scope. Oh shit. It's off.
No! No! No!
Oh my. Y'all see that thing? Let's take this home. This is our trophy today. Hey, we hit it up a couple times. You feel me? That's what we do. That's what we do. That's what we do.
And let's take a trip to Miami. Oh, once you ride with me, I wanna start a new family.